Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix if you can't install any apps from Google Play Store. Are you facing the can't install apps pop up on Google Play Store while installing an app on your phone? Watch the full video to see how to can easily solve this problem. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click Settings. Click Search bar, then type Storage. Click Storage. Click Clean. Click Clean. Click Back. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Then find Google Play Store. Click Google Play Store. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click Back. Click three-dot icon. Then click Uninstall Updates. Click OK. Then open Google Play Store. Install any apps. You can see my problem is solved. If anyone has problem, please comment. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.